Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you where you can find the taste of sea salt emote in Heartopia during the festival event update. Okay, let's get into it guys. Let me open up the movie guide. Okay, and this is how the taste of sea salt emote looks like. Actually, the emote is called sea salt popcorn. And if you want to unlock this emote, you need to find the bubble. And I'm going to show you the bubble location. First of all, you need to go to the fishing village, and the the bubble will be right here. Okay, it's on the top. Okay, the top of the umbrella, and I'm going to find a way to pop the bubble. I think I need to go to the roof first. Okay, I'm going to use my car. Okay, it's a little bit hard, but we can try. Okay, you can go to the roof and you're going to pop the bubble. Okay, I've just unlocked the taste of sea salt emote. Okay guys, and that's how you can get the taste of sea salt emote in Heartopia game. That's the full update. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.